1, 2. All right, guys, we're going to start with this British 303. Enough said, right? Bolt action. There you go. Help yourself on the British 303. Get $500. Bet 5 here. Get 5. Get 250. Oh, that's right. If you are a convicted felon, do not raise your hand. Before you leave here, if you buy a gun and you've bought from me before, you don't have to do this. But if you've not bought guns from me before, you're going to have to sign a sheet saying that you're not a convicted felon. It stays in my file. It's just in case I get checked. I don't like these rules. That's just the way it is. Handguns, I cannot sell to anybody from out of state. So, if you've got a Missouri driver's license, you live here, whatever, you got an address here in Missouri, I can sell them to you. Otherwise, don't raise your hand on the handguns. I can sell long guns to anybody as long as you're not a convicted felon. All right? All right, back up here on the British. I got 200, now 50. That's 200 here, 50. 200 here, 50. That's $200, 50 divided, 200 here, quarter there, 200 quarter, quarter. That's 200 quarter, 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 quarter. That's $200 quarter, 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 50 divided, 200 here, 50. That's 200 here, 50 there, 50, that's 75 there, 75 divided, 3. That's $300, 3, 3. I got 275, $300. That's 3 there, 3. So 275. Thank you. Yeah. And that buyer number is what? 271. 271. 271. Yeah, we'll save those for.
Hey, Winchester, model 94.
Look here. Model 94, 3030, got the side mount scope on it, saddle gun. There's a old Winchester right there now. Then even $500. It's 5 here, 250. It's 2 up here, 50, 2 up here. Model 94, 2 up here, 50. It's 75 there, 275, 3 there, 300, 3. And 3, when you get 3, 3, 3, get 3. It's 3 quarter, 50, 3 up here, and 75 there, 4. And $400 quarter, 40 quarter. It's 450, 50, 4 up here, 50 to 4 and a half, and 40 quarter there, and 50 to 5, 50, 4 up here, 50, 75, and 475, 475, and 475, 75, and 475, and I have?
Yeah.
Now $500. Don't let it go for 25 bucks. $500. At 475. 5 quarter. And 5 and a quarter to 5 quarter. 5 and a quarter to 5 quarter. Sold it. $500. Buyer number is 142. 142.
Hey, Winchester, model 94, 3030.
Winchester, model 94, 3030.
Home of Lincoln.
Hey, it's commemorative. It's got the
Illinois.
Yep.
Centennial.
Illinois Centennial.
1968.
There you go. Commemorative right there.
Model 94.
Model 94. $500. Hit 5 here. 350. Hit 3 up here. 50 there and 4 there. 450. 5 here. $500. 550. Hit $600. 650. 750. Hit 7 up here. Quarter. Hit 7 quarter to 5. 50. 7 up here. 75 there. 775. Hit 775. 775. Sold it. 750. 150. Here, let's go with this one right here. Yep. 30-06 Remington, semi-automatic. Is it a Fieldmaster? It's got a brand new scope on it. It's a what? Woodsmaster. There you go. Woodsmaster. There's the clip to it right there. Model 742, 30-06, nice gun, semi-auto. I'm going to give $500. Hit 5 here. Get $500. Get 5. Hit 3, 54. Hit 4 there. Get 4. Hit 450. 55. 600. 50 here. 50. Quarter. That's 60 quarter. 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 Sold it. $600. Buyer number 142. 142. Put it right there. Next one should be, is that a 410?
Yeah, probably. It is a Springfield Model 18 series.
Springfield Model 18 series 410. Bolt action. There's a nice one right there. Yes, sir.
Shoot 2.5 or 3 inch.
Shoot 2.5 or 3 inch, too.
Clip that comes out the bottom.
Clip that comes out the bottom, got it all. Right there. Give $300. Hit 3 there. 100 and a half, 75. Hit 175, 2 quarter, 50, 75, 3, quarter, 50, 3 and a half. Hit 350, 75, 375. Hit 375, $400, get 4. Hit 4 there, 5, 4, quarter there, 4 quarter, quarter. Hit him, 4 quarter, quarter. Sold it. $400, 234, 234.
This one here is a Chevrolet. Yeah. Chevrolet patent something.
22, right?
22.
Pretty sure it's 22. Bolt action.
Gotta be.
All right, right there on the 22, 150, in 150, 100 half here, 50, $75, in $75, $100 quarter there, 150 there, 50, right behind me, in 150, 50, look around, 50, 100 a quarter, 50, 75, in 175, 75, 60, in 160, 60, in 150 there, and 60 there, 60, 70, 170, 170, hit 175, 70, come on chicken, hit 175, 70, 70 and a half. So 160, 234, 234. Hey, sell a BB gun, sell a BB gun. Parker just lost all his marbles. Sell a BB gun, yep. Yeah, sell choice of the BB guns. What happens to all right, sell choice of 2 right there. Power Master right there. And sell choice of 2 right there. $25. Hit $25. 5, 10. Hit 10, $15. 15, 20 there and 5 here. 25. Hit 20 there and 5 here and 30 there. 30, 35. 30. Now 5. Hit 35. 35. So $30, $189. Which one you want? You want them both? The daisy's right here. He takes the daisy. Sell the other one right there. About 5, 10. 10. But about $15, $20. But about 25. But about 30. Yeah, 30. But about 35. But about 30. But about 35. But about 35. But about 30. So $25. 103. Hey. All right, no out-of-state buyers. We've got a 38. I believe it's a Smith & Wesson, correct?
Yep, Smith & Wesson, 38.
Smith & Wesson, 38 revolver, right there. No out-of-state buyers. All right, here we go then. Even $500. Hit 5 here. Hit 5. Hit $500. 250, 75. Hit 275. 3, quarter, 50. 350. 50. 3 and a half. Hit 75. 4. 4. Quarter. 4 and a quarter. Hit 50. 4 and a here. 50. Half, hit 4 and a quarter there and 50 there, now 50, 75, hit 475, 475, 475, hit 470, did you say yeah? Hit $500, 5, hit 475, $500, 5, so 475, 234, 234, yep.
Is a Young America.
Young America. 30, is it a 32? Or 22 short? I think it's 22 short. Young America. Smith & Wesson, 38.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't see the
Young America.
I don't see the marking of the caliber, but neat little gun.
Neat little gun too. Right there, sell the pistol, but about $200.
Did it blow up?
Huh?
Did it blow up?
I don't know.
That's not marked. It may be just a starting gun.
I don't
It
think
says
so.
North America something action. Double action.
Double action. All right, be your own judge. Right there, but about $200. Hit 2 there, but about 2. Hit $200, but about get 2, but about $100 quarter. Hit 1 quarter, but about quarter, but about 100 quarter, but about 110, 20, but about 110, 20, 30, but about 130. Hit 130, but about 40, but about $140, but about 40, but about 40. Hit 140, but about 30 there and 40 there, but about 40, but about 40, but about 40, but about 40. Sold it, 130. 115, 115.
Okay, Smith & Wesson.
Smith & Wesson, 32. Woo!
And yeah, maybe SA. Doesn't say yet.
Got a pearl handle on it. I believe it's a 32, but I can't swear to it, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Right side of the barrel, he said. 32? It is a 32. Smith & Wesson, right there. All right, here we go. Raise your sights a little there. $300. At 3 there. 3 to 3. 3 quarter. Quarter. And now 50. 75. 375. 5. And 375. 4. Quarter 50. 475. 5. And $500. Quarter 550. 50. 75. $600. Second quarter 50. And 6 half here. 75. $700. 7. Quarter 50. And 7 half here. 50. Half. And 7 here. 50. Half here. Half. So 7 1/4, 1 5 4, 1 5 4. Man to D. I sell this. Hey, look here. You want to see an old 30-06 pump? And it is a what's the?
It is a Remington. Game Master.
Game Master model 760, 30-06 pump, hard shooting dude, 3x9 scope. There's a nice one. Clip goes right there.
Hey, Donnie, you can take something like that to the deer woods, not worry about ever scuffing it up.
Deer, elk, you name it, right there. I'm gonna get $500. It's 5 here. 5. It's $500. $5. Get 5. It's $500. 350. 75. And 375. 4 there. 50 there. 4 here. 50. And 450. 75. $500. 5. It's $500. Quarter. 5 quarter. 5 quarter. It's $500 quarter here. 5 10 10 10. 10. It's $500 10. It's 5 10 to 10 to 10. 10 10 $500 10. $500 10. Sold it. $500. Buyer number
217.
217.
Yep.
217. What do we got there?
This is a
D.
Taurus.
Taurus.
38 special.
Uh-oh, 38 special. There's home defense right there. Taurus, 38 special. Give 350. Hit 3 up here. 3 up here. Give half. 250. 75. Hit 275 there. 75 there. And 3 there. 3 quarter. Hit 3 quarter. 50. 75. 375. $400 quarter. 40 quarter. 50. Hit 475. $500. 5 5. Hit $500. 5 5. 475. 5. $500, $500 quarter, 5 1/4, 5 1/4, 5 10, 5 20, hit 520 to buy 20, 520 to buy 20, hit 520 to buy 20, 20, 20, 30, 530, 30 to buy 530, hit 540, 40, 40, 540 to buy 40, sold 530, 65, 65.
High standard 22.
High standard 22. Hey, look here. There's an old pistol. High standard 22. What's it say on the right there?
High standard MFG Corp. Hampton.
There you go. High standard 22. There's a nice old pistol right there. I'm gonna give $500. Hit 5 here. 250, 75. Hit 275. 75. Get 5. Hit 275. 275. 3. Hit 275. 3 to 3. Hit $300. 3 and 3 and 3. 3 to 3. 275. 3. There's a bargain. Hit $300. 3 3. Get 3 to get 3. Get 3. 275 there and 3. Hit $300. 3. $300. Woo. Bargain. Sold it. 275. 198. That's it in here, right? That's all the guns. Oh, wait a minute. We got ammo and we got a scope. Hey, Kenny, grab that scope in there and a pair of binoculars. What do we got right there? Sell that scope first. What is that? Here's a 22 mag Simmons scope. Sell the scope right there. 20, 30. Hit $30. 30, 30. 25. Get 5. Hit $25. $5. $10. Hit $15. $20. 25. 25. 30. 30. Hit 25. 30. 30. Sold $25. Buyer number
205.
205. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, gotcha. R. That last one too. R on the scope.